Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap American Canyon local and long distance movers near me. American Canyon Local 3 Movers helps to effectively make moving an easy task for those wishing to move within American Canyon by providing excellent moving services to the fullest. You can reach out to 3 Movers as they are gurus on all moving jobs. They've been effectively functional, thus getting endorsements from different clients for remarkable jobs well done. The American Canyon full service moving team goes through the pain of sorting everything. They provide all the services needed from scratch for a successful move, such as providing and disposal of packing materials, packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, labor and transportation and storage services. American Canyon, California Movers provides a host of moving services movers could try, such as movers and packers. They will move and pack the item to the desired location, hitch free. They give customers a value equivalent to the pricing and are good at what they do. Also, moving and storage. American Canyon Movers in 2023 offer adequate storage options. Why is this important? They are often items that need sorting after moving, from the ones for charity to the ones clients have no idea what to do with it. Also, if the movers should get a new item and need to free up the old space, 3 Movers have that covered when you work with them. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.